Hey everyone, this is Bob from Hot Rock Central again, and this morning I was messing around with my panel wiring, organizing the wiring a little bit, and I found out I had a dead string. So I had to go and check all my strings to see which ones were dead and which were not, and find out where it was coming from. So what you do to make this easy is presumably you've got all your panels on breakers like I do here, and you just shut them all off. And then I've got my negative lead from the meter tied into the negative bar coming off my panels. And I'll just go across each one of these across here and look at my meter and see if they're active or not. And there's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, and number 13. All right, so now I know all my panels are active, so that's good. All right, now turn these all back on now so we can get back to charging. And something else interesting you might not realize is that I have 2 separate chargers for this 48-volt system here, and both of them are tied together on a common and negative bar. And not only that, but over here I have another system. This is my nighttime system, 24-volt system. And it has its own set of breakers, but both negatives for both systems off the panels are tied together. And if you're wondering if you could do something like that, I'm doing it and it's working just fine. Now the other thing is if you run into a panel that's dead, now you might be using butt connectors like I do. I use a lot of screw down butt connectors, and they have a tendency to oxidize, and they can create bad connections over time. So if you're organized like I'm not, you might have all your strings labeled to what panels they go to. But in my case, I'm not that organized, so I had to follow the dead string back to the originating panels to figure out what connections were bad. So, and I took care of that, and that straightened everything out. Unfortunately, it was just one string. So anyways, I think that's all I got to say for this one. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And I'll get back to you with another video as soon as I find something useful to talk about. Thanks for watching.